Enjoy the view of this 2024 Ford Mustang. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take control of the track or the scenic route in the iconic Mustang. Its high-performance acceleration, balanced feel, smart tech, and crisp steering, coupled with its unmistakable, bold looks, are poised to take your driving pleasure to new heights. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, backup camera, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Life is short. Make every drive count in this fiery Mustang. The excitement begins with a test drive. We'll toss you the keys and start you on your way.